They live in Antarctica. There's a specific tick for inside the butt of a hippopotamus, and I am not kidding. Can you imagine? Ew.
Going in there and getting
Tick, there are tick scientists. Lyme disease is a condition that's caused by the bacteria Borrelia burgdorferi, and it's carried by ticks, specifically deer ticks, also known as black-legged ticks. It's called Lyme disease because the first case was diagnosed in Lyme, Connecticut. And it's estimated that almost 500,000 cases of Lyme disease are diagnosed each year. And it's particularly difficult to diagnose, so there may be even more than that. A typical sign of a Lyme disease infection is a tick bite that causes a bull's eye rash. So it's white in the center and red around. So anytime that you find a tick that's burrowed into your body, it's a good idea to talk to your prescriber to determine whether or not you might need treatment for Lyme disease. The reason that Lyme disease is so important to detect early is that that's when it's most easily treated. Typically, about 2 weeks of antibiotics will kick it out of your system and you're fine. In a lot of cases, the early Lyme disease is mainly like a flu-like symptom. So again, you may have a rash, fever, fatigue, you may feel kind of achy, similar to any sort of virus. If you don't detect and treat Lyme disease early, it can spread throughout your body. And unlike a lot of other bacteria, it can affect your nervous system, your brain, even your eyes if it spreads. And that can lead to widespread issues. Really swollen, achy, stiff joints. It can cause mental issues, even psychosis-like syndrome in severe cases, although those are quite rare. The other issue with Lyme infection is that if you wait too long to treat it, you can still have residual symptoms even after the bacteria has been removed from your body. So that's why early detection and treatment is so important. That being said, and I'm sure that sounded really overwhelming and scary, the number of people that have severe Lyme disease or severe symptoms are very, very low. It's not common. Most people are very easily treated without any lingering symptoms. But it's still important, if you live in an area where ticks are common, to pay attention and contact your prescriber if you have any early signs of Lyme disease after a tick bite.